This is again part two. Then, how do I stay safe? So, this is the next big question with us. So, let us look into that. So, how I can stay safe in this epidemic break of thing. So, this could be done with vitamin S. So, what is that vitamin S? Is it available in the market as a tablet in the bottles? No, it's not at all. So vitamin S is one which I'll show you. Stay home, social distancing, soap and water, and support your immune system. How do you support your immune system? Means sleep, sunshine, solid nutrition, spiritual well-being, stress reduction. So these are very important things, so by which you can be increase your immune system. You can support your immune system. So that is the reason why people are concentrating mostly on this thing. Okay, so let us look into this other important thing. So that is which is referred here as a solid social distancing. So this is the social distancing where the people, the epidemic people are showing the graphs like that. So the one which is colored here. So this is epidemic breakdown cases without any measurements, without taking any procedures. And here this is the epidemic curve for with some protective like lockdown, social distancing like this. So you can visualize this is the high risk is there without anything. But if you make a social distance and this is the so this is very important epidemiological that what next I'm going to give you. So this is a graph gives you that the color is in no social distancing. Then this is the how the people are going to affect the brown color. Okay. So next in this, if you observe the a case where a forced quarantine is there, then this brown color. So this is so it is enloaded in the horizontal, but a total number of cases are very weak. So if you go for forced quarantine, the number of cases may be high, but it goes for elongation, but peak is very much reduced when compared to this one. And then if you go for the social distancing, so which is a long benefiting one, so 75% population is social maintained social distancing, then the affected curve, we can see if that brown curve is very, very minimal. So instead of 75, so the people have estimated 87.5% population is social distancing. So if for 87.5% is brown, that is affected, you are seeing very minimal. So just think of if 100% population maintain the social distancing, you can eliminate this any epidemic. So now I would like to tell you soap water. So because everybody is setting you go for a soap wash with the soap water, then the coronavirus will go. How? Because just I'll tell you. So this is the coronavirus. This is the spikes that is present on the coat virus. Then how do you go for this? So the people are going for this soap water. So people are saying that use soap water. So this is the soap water, and then what will happen is the soap water is used means so the soap water will come and bind to this a protein coat, that is a coat virus which contains lipid bilayers. So these lipid bilayers get dissolved by this lipid that is binding, the soap that is binding, and hence the coat will be broke down, and then you will get the virus which is not effective, and hence you will be free from virus. So this is another study which will tell you. So this light green color that is there's fluorescent green that is there. There's nothing but a coronavirus. So without washing, this is the one. And then if you see this for water rinsing, so still nothing improvement removing of this coronavirus. But if you rinse with water plus soap, for 5 seconds you can see traces, for 10 seconds you can see traces, but 20 seconds no traces were there. That means entire coronavirus that is adhered to the hands was washed away with the soap water. So that is the reason why people say the simple way that it is only with water, so you can say still these traces, but water plus soap, soap water. So washing with 20 seconds will make you to get away from this. Next, the supporting the immune system by a good quality of sleep. How does so the rules of healthy sleep? Well, you know, so you should avoid this alcohols and then heavy exercises and coffee, overeatings and electronics, and you can get a good sleep with light reading and then with exercise and meditation, time maintaining and lighting off, and then good airing. So this will make you the good quality of it. So supporting immune system function by a sunshine exercise, that doesn't mean that you should go outside and run. So on your roof or in the terrace also you can do the same thing, and then so the experiments have shown that 45 minutes per day and 5 days if you do this thing, so your immune system will get increased 2 to 6 folds has been increased. So your immune system. So remember, the drugs may or may not help you, but the immune system definitely will help you in fighting against. So even if the COVID comes, if the immune system is right in a 2 to 6 fold increase in manner, that can eliminate this COVID without infection. So supporting your immune system with solid nutrition like foods which are having antioxidants. So most of our foods, fresh food, any fresh food we can take, so will have this high amount of antioxidants. You can use them. And then if you look at this, the people who are in rasayanas, that is Ayurveda, that is ashwagandha, shatavari, and nimbaharivara, amkali, and guchi. So these are best immune booster that known already. And then never like this hugging should be avoided in the any gatherings, and then better is accept the Indian culture, respect every one for suraksha with physical distance. Namaste is the one. So physical distance, maintain the physical distance. So better always better to have namaste and maintain the social distance. Then what if I have to do, because I have to go to work and what to do? So the people suggest that. So these are the things which I'm going to tell you that definitely they will be helpful for us for the coming 2, 3, or 6 or 1 year. Up to 1 year, you have to follow. Then if you want to live, you have to follow. So allow seva for the youth, and the elderly should stay in the home. Elderly should stay in the home, and leave home with the mask and gloves. Leave home with the mask and gloves is a must now. And then if you look into this outside, if you go outside, don't touch things which you need not to touch. Don't touch things unnecessarily outside the system. So avoid hand contact with your face and eyes. So don't make your hands coming to your eyes and close to your eyes or face, because the virus, it may result, can enter into your body. And after coming home, wash your hands with the soap and water, and you don't need Lysol hand sanitizer every day. Just normal soap, household soap with water. You have to wash with hands very clearly for minimum 20 seconds. Then it will be a washing away of any of them. And clean high touch surfaces 1 to 2 times per day. For example, your door knobs, door locks, car steering, your motorbike. So wherever more frequent you're touching, so those areas you should clean with surface 1 or 2 to 3 times or more times also per day with any liquid sanitizers. And then change your clothes once you enter your home. So you got outside, do something, and then after that you're coming, so immediately change your clothes and cook in this Dettol or soap water immediately after entering the home. And a very important thing for the future is maintain social distancing even within households as much as possible, as much as possible. So uh, uh, hence in any gathering with love and affection, just say namaste only, because so that is the one which is. So dear friends, so I just given this the information whatever that I have collected from the internet and different sources, and I just presented you to. So if it is useful to you, so I'll be very happy. Even if it's not useful to you, so just ignore this, and but stay a home or make the social distance, so you'll be living very happily. So these are the references which I have taken from different from for the last 10 days. These references are referred, and I prepared the slides and I given. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity, and all the best. Stay home, or if you go outside, maintain social distance. All the best. Bye bye.